I'm going to be using Cisco Packet Tracer to show you some of the commands available to you with the Cisco command line interface. So the way we're going to go ahead and do this is we're going to connect to the terminal through the customer PC, which is right there. So give me 1 second here. I'm going to go ahead and open that up, bring it into your view. We're going to go ahead and go here to desktop and terminal. Hit OK, and we have our terminal in front of us. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what it means to use a context-sensitive help feature, which is included in the Cisco router software. So first we're going to go ahead and hit E, and then what you're going to want to do is hit a question mark. And what that does is it gives you the commands that are available that start with E. The next thing you want to try is, let's try EN, and then hit question mark. And you can see that right here, when we just put E, it had enable and exit. And when we put EN, it only brought up enable. Alright, so the next part that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually do the enable command. And that brings us, if you can see right there, that pound sign means that we are in privileged exec mode. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do is they have command shortcuts. If you type in a command and then hit the tab key, if the command is valid, the router software will try to complete it for you. So we're going to go ahead and try that with C and hit the tab key, and it just brought up the C again because there are no commands that just use the words, just use C. But if we go CONF and hit tab, it pops up the word configure. And configure is used for the command configure terminal, which is used to change different settings on the router. So what we're going to do next is put a question mark after configure, and that gives us, just give me 1 second here. Alright, yeah, what it should do is it should pop up the words configure, and it should give you terminal, because that's pretty much the only command you use is configure terminal, because that allows you, like I said, to switch up different settings, IP address, subnets, and all that good stuff. So now we're going to show you what happens with the error detection features that are built in. So what we're going to do here is type in CON and then hit enter. And as you can see from the words right here, ambiguous command CON, that just means that the router interface did not recognize it. So what we're going to do next here is we're going to go ahead and try to see how they handle spelling errors. So we're going to do configure, we're spelling that correctly, and then we're going to misspell terminal, TRMINAL. Hit enter, and I'm not sure how big it is on your screen, but right here is an upward pointing arrow pointing out that the error is right in between the T and the R. So now I'm going to show you that there's another thing you can do to help you enter the commands quicker, is you can hit Control P. And what Control P does is brings up your previously entered command. And you can continuously hit that to bring up the different commands that you entered. And if you hit alternately Control N, it allows you to go forward through them. And the same is true of the down and upward arrow keys. Alrighty, so that was my quick tutorial on the different help commands that the Cisco command line interface has with it. I thank you for watching and have a great day.